Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of programming or are already a coding pro, you know the tools you use can make or break your workflow. Today, we're exploring 8 amazing software tools every programmer should know about. Let's get started. Coming in at number 8 is AppDev. If you're new to coding, this is a dream. AppDev is a low-code platform, perfect for building apps without diving deep into programming. It's highly visual and super intuitive, great for prototyping or even full-fledged apps. Next, at number 7, is Apache Cordova. If you want to use standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build mobile apps, Cordova is for you. It's lightweight, open source, and perfect for those transitioning from web development to mobile apps. Next, let's talk about GitHub. It's the go-to platform for version control and collaboration. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, GitHub helps you manage your projects, track changes, and contribute to open-source communities with ease. Plus, those GitHub actions? Automation at its finest. Moving on to 5, we have OutSystems. This platform is fantastic for enterprise-level apps. It combines low-code functionality with robust tools for rapid development. You can create scalable, secure, and performance-driven apps in record time. Halfway through the list at 5 is Flutter. Backed by Google, Flutter is a popular choice for creating visually stunning apps. It uses Dart language and comes with a rich widget library for seamless cross-platform development. At number 4, we have Unity. While it's primarily a game engine, Unity is incredible for AR and VR app development. Its vast asset store and strong community support make it a go-to for immersive experiences. At number 3 is Android Studio. If Android apps are your focus, this is a must-have. It's packed with features like code editing, debugging, and testing tools tailored specifically for Android. At number 2, Jupyter.org. This interactive coding environment is a favorite among data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. With support for Python, R, and Julia, Jupyter Notebooks make it easy to visualize data and share your work seamlessly. And finally, the top spot goes to Visual Studio. This all-in-one IDE from Microsoft is ideal for large-scale projects. It supports various languages, has incredible debugging tools, and integrates seamlessly with Azure for cloud development. So there you have it, 8 incredible software tools to elevate your programming game. Whether you're building apps, analyzing data, or creating games, there's something here for everyone. Which tool is your favorite? Or did we miss one? Let us know in the comments below.